Hennessy Industries presents the Coates 9024E rim clamp tire changer, capable of servicing the BMW high-performance wheel and Bridgestone Runflat tire assemblies, as well as other new Runflat and low-profile technology combinations. The short video will take you through the mounting and demounting process, as well as point out some of the 9024E's key features. We'll want to start the demount process by loosening the bead, but first we need to remove the valve core to deflate the tire. Make sure that the valve stem is just above the top of the bead loosener shoe. We will then be ready to use the bead loosener to loosen the bead. The bead loosener is double pivoted and utilizes a cam follower system that allows for straight line bead loosening. This prevents the wheel assembly from twisting, which can cause rim damage. Most importantly, the shoe design helps in preventing damage to the pressure sensor during bead loosening. After loosening both beads, we can now place the tire and wheel assembly onto the tabletop, which has a clamping range to handle small 12-inch to large 26-inch diameter wheels. Use the left helper arm to push down and center the rim to ensure good clamp engagement. Then use the clamp control pedal to close the clamps and grip the edge of the rim. The attached protective booties stay on the clamps at all times, and the X-shaped table allows visual feedback on the clamping system. The power taper roller can now be used to lower the top bead to apply the tire lube. A 2 horsepower American-made electric motor rotates the tire as the lube is applied. The power tilt tower is a real labor-saving feature. The operator can use both hands to lift and position the tire and use the foot control to position the duck head. The pneumatic lifting, lowering, and locking of the duck head by a single 3-position control assures damage-free positioning of the duck head. The powered taper roller is next used when inserting the liftover bar between the tire and rim by pressing the sidewall of the tire down. The left helper arm can be used to hold the other side of the tire down to make the liftover easier. Now with the bead slightly over the duck head, the wheel can now be turned to remove the top bead. With the top bead removed, the swing arm disc can now be used to help in lifting off the bottom bead. There is a swing arm disc located on both sides of the machine. These discs are a real backsaver when used in changing heavy tires. The power taper roller is once again used to finish the job of removing the bottom bead. With just the press of the pedal, the duck head is lifted out of the work area to complete the demounting process. After applying lube to both beads of the tire, we'll be ready to start the mounting process. When changing like tires and wheels, the design of the power tilt tower does not require the operator to reset the head each time. It can then be lowered easily to its previous location. This feature is a real time saver. With the assistance of the power taper roller and the left helper arm, the tire and wheel can be rotated to complete the mounting process. The rotation is driven by a 2 horsepower American-made electric motor that ensures a start torque that will mount the tough run flats and the low-profile tires. The quiet electric horsepower helps to maintain a professional atmosphere in any shop. With the mounting process now complete, pressing on the foot pedal will raise the tower away from the wheel. The Coates 9024E comes standard with an onboard inflation system. The pedal-operated inflation pressure is monitored by viewing the very reliable Coates inflation gauge, which is easy to read and has built-in overinflation protection. For more information on this product or any other Coates products, please call us at 1-800-688-6359 or visit our website at www.amcoats.com.